In this video, I'll show you how to cast the screen on Google Home. Step 1. Ensure your Google Home device and the device you want to cast from are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Open the Google Home app and tap on the device you want to cast from. Step 3. Tap the cast button. The app will search. Oh no, I made a mistake! Tap the cast button. The app will search for available devices to cast to. Step 4. Select your Google Home or Chromecast device from the list of available devices. Step 5. Once connected, your device screen should appear on the TV or Google Home enabled display. Summary and tips. Follow these steps carefully to achieve the desired outcome with Google Home. For additional troubleshooting or tips, refer to the Google Home support page. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.